Good morning, everyone. Hope it's a beautiful day to start our learning. Chandini Views welcomes you all for the online class, and we will start our session with word of the day. And today's word is mobile. So when are we going to use this word mobile? So whenever you're saying maybe an object is movable, maybe an animal is movable. So whenever you have to use the word movable, you can use the word mobile instead of movable because it is going to make your language look a lot more polished. Okay. And with that, we can start our lesson. So this is for class 4. And the subject is English. And the lesson is number 1. And the topic is a precious gift. Hi friends, I'm Sita and I'm 8 years old. I'm going to my school now. Do you know where I'm studying? I am studying in Chandni View School. I am studying in 4th standard and let me show you my classroom. This is my classroom. Okay friends, let me introduce my friends and my teachers to you. Now, I'm very anxious to meet my friends after my holiday. Hi Lalita, how are you? How was your vaccination? And did you go for vacation? I am fine. I went to Delhi on a trip and enjoyed it. What about you? I went to Delhi on a trip and enjoyed it. And where did you go for your vacation? I did not go anywhere, but I went to Sita's house and we both had a good time. We are in the class now. We are waiting for our teacher. Good morning, children. My name is Pooja. Ma'am, are you our new teacher? Yes, dear, I'm your English ma'am. Yes, I'm your new English teacher, children, and those who are disciplined in my class would get a gift from me. I will tell you later, okay? Wow, ma'am, what is the gift? Once the school ends, I will always tell my mom everything that happens. Okay, so what is happening here? You can see that Sita is a school-going child, and she's talking about her vacation and stuff with her friend, and that is when the school starts. So, and they get a new English teacher, and the new English teacher here, she is telling her that she has a gift for the most disciplined student there, right? And she's telling that the disciplined student would get the gift from her, and everybody in the class seems to be very excited about getting the gift. And Sita here, she seems happy because of the announcement, and as soon as she goes home, she is telling her mom whatever that had taken place on the day. Hi mom, today in our school we got a new English teacher. Hi dear. Mom, today our new English ma'am had said that she will be giving gifts to students who are disciplined in our class. Oh, is it so, dear? I was very happy and I went to bed. I was going to school. On the way, I saw a dog and it was wounded. So after all the conversation that she had with her mother, she went to the bed so happily. And the next day, she got ready and she was, coming to school. On her way to school, she saw a dog. She saw a dog on the side of the road, and you could see that it was wounded, right? It was wounded. And what does the word wounded mean? The word wounded here refers to being hurt, right? And I took that dog to my school and I gave it to Mrs. Lakshmi. Then what is she doing? She is taking that dog and she is taking it to the new English teacher, right? Because it is wounded. Quickly put the band-aid on the wound, Sita. Ma'am, I saw this puppy on the road. It was wounded, so I brought it with me. Okay, ma'am. After a few days, I brought the dog to school again and it was healthy. So what is happening? She finds a wounded, that is a hurt dog on the side of the road, and she decides to take it to the school. And she is, informing her new English teacher that the dog is wounded. So the English teacher here, she is asking Pooja to put a band-aid on it because that is what we do. So whenever we get hurt, or whenever any of the animals or any of the living beings get hurt, what do? We do our first date. Like the same thing here, Mrs. Lakshmi is telling Sita to do. She's telling her that she should put a band-aid on the wound. And after few days, the dog is back to its normal state. It gets healthy, and then the dog it gets healthy. So Sita here, she is taking the dog and leaving it on the roadside where she picked it from, right? Yes. Since the dog was healthy, I left it on the road and went. Few days later, I was going to school, and on the way, I saw someone talking there, and I listened to them. Hey, let's tie this into a dog and make fun of him and tie him up. I said, hey boys, stop this. Why are you hurting that boy and teasing him? I saw my teacher coming on the way. So what is the next thing that is happening in the story? In the second part of the story, you can see that Sita is, going from her school, and there she sees a gang of boys trying to hurt her boy. And she goes there and she is, giving her voice against it. But still, those boys there, they are not in the position to listen to her. They are not listening to her. So that is when she is seeing her new English teacher, that is Mrs. Lakshmi, and she is informing her that there is this situation happening there. And for that, Sita, are you doing here? I said, ma'am, those boys are teasing that small boy and he's crying, so I'm telling them to untie him. Come, let's go there. I will untie the boys like in save him. I was very happy and said, thank you, ma'am. So as soon as she informed her new English teacher that there is this innocent boy who's being, hurt and bullied, and the English teacher there, she is telling Sita that she is going to come along with her, and she's going to come help the boy and save him. After a few months, Mr. Lakshmi decided on something. So days passed like this, and that is when the new English teacher, that is Mrs. Lakshmi, she decided on something. I decided to give a gift to Sita because I was very helpful and disciplined. Okay, that is when she decided to give the gift to Sita because she found that she's very helpful, she's very disciplined, she's kind, right? Pooja here, she's very kind and stuff, right? So that is when she is remembering the announcement that she had given earlier, and she decides that the gift should go to Pooja. Good morning, students. Hope you're all waiting for my gift. Yes, ma'am. I want you to know to whom you are going to give your gift. I have selected Sita and I will give her the gift because she is good and discipline. Mrs. Lakshmi called me and gave her gift. Get the gift? I opened the gift. A beautiful toy puppy. I love this very much. I will call her Gypsy. Thank you, ma'am. She goes home happily with her toy puppy. The announced gift it is going to Sita because she was a very good, helpful, disciplined, and kind girl. And Mrs. Lakshmi asked her to come get the gift from her, and that is when she went to receive the gift. And she sees that she got a toy puppy. Right, she got a toy puppy as a gift from her teacher, and she was so happy receiving the gift. Mom, can you guess what happened today? I cannot guess, but it shows you are happy. Yes, Mom. My English ma'am gave me a gift, and it's a cute toy puppy, and I named it as Gypsy. I already said you, Sita, you will deserve it. I am so proud of you. So what is happening is that the next scene is that she is going home. She is going home, and that is when she is getting the gift, and she's telling her mom about everything that had happened, and she's very happy because she received a toy puppy, and she is sharing it with her mom, and she has named the toy puppy as Gypsy. Yes, Mom, it's a precious gift to me. Hello, friends. Have you enjoyed our conversation? Now, we can say the quick view of the story. So the story starts with Sita, going to her school, discussing about the vacation and stuff, and that is when she gets to know about her new English teacher, and the new English teacher there, she is announcing a gift that is going to be given to the disciplined student, and everybody there seems to be very happy. And Sita comes home and tells her mother everything that had happened that particular day, and she's telling her that her English ma'am had announced a gift for the most disciplined student and stuff, and she goes to bed very happily. And the next morning, while she was on the road to the school, she sees a hurt puppy. She sees the wounded puppy on the side of the road, and she decides to pick it up and she brings it to the school. And after coming to the school, she's asking the helper from Mrs. Lakshmi, that is the new teacher, to help the wounded dog. And Mrs. Lakshmi there instructs Sita to put a band-aid on it, and Pooja does the same. And after a few days, the dog gets healthy. So, Sita here leaves the dog where she picked it from. And then what is happening is that one fine day she sees a gang of boys trying to hurt a tiny boy, and she is giving a voice against it, but still they are not listening to her. So that is when she brings Mrs. Lakshmi and helps the boy. Mrs. Lakshmi sees all these things and she keeps it in her mind. And one fine day, she announced the gift for the disciplined student, and she had selected Sita, for the gift because she was very helpful, she was very kind, and she was very helpful, kind, and honest and disciplined. So that is why the gift goes to her. And Sita was very excited and happy because she was the one getting the gift out of the whole class. And when she opened the gift box, she sees that she got a puppy toy, and it made her very happy. She goes home and tells her mother everything that had happened, that she was very happy getting the toy puppy, and she names it as Gypsy. So with this, the story gets over. And from this story, what is the kind of moral that we are learning? So from this, we are learning that honesty has always a gift. It always has a price. So you shouldn't, but at the same time, you shouldn't do good things just because you're going to give. You should do good things because it is the good thing to do. Okay, and I hope the story is liked by all of you. Be good, do good to all, so you will also get lots of gifts from others. Thank you, friends. Meet you all soon with some interesting stories. Bye. Take care.